Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study without lectures. First, clearly define your learning objectives. What specific knowledge or skills do you aim to acquire? Next, honestly assess your current understanding of the topic. This helps you identify gaps. Then consider your preferred learning style. Are you a visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner? Finally, set achievable daily goals, perhaps dedicating 2 to 3 hours to focused study. This structured approach ensures efficient progress. Once you know your goals, it's time to gather resources. Seek out reputable textbooks, academic articles, and online courses from platforms like Coursera or Khan Academy. These provide structured content. Organize your materials effectively, whether in digital folders or physical binders, ensuring everything is easily accessible. Develop a consistent study schedule, perhaps dedicating 1 hour to reading and another to practice problems each day. This systematic approach maximizes your learning potential. Passive reading isn't enough. You need active engagement. Implement active recall by regularly quizzing yourself on the material. Summarize key concepts in your own words, perhaps writing a one-page summary for every chapter. Develop visual aids like flashcards or mind maps to connect ideas. A powerful technique is to teach the material to a friend or even an imaginary audience, as explaining it clarifies your own understanding. Aim for at least 30 minutes of active recall per study session. Consistent review is crucial for long-term retention. Schedule regular review sessions, perhaps dedicating 15 minutes daily to past topics. Actively identify your weak points through practice tests and allocate additional study time to those areas. Consider joining online study groups or forums to gain different perspectives and feedback. Finally, be flexible and adapt your study methods. If one approach isn't working, try another. This iterative process ensures continuous improvement and mastery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.